So you need to pay attention to what I'm about to say. So if you're in your early 20s, your mid 20s, or your late 20s, any of the 20s, and you are not making 2 million and above every single month, listen to me. You're in your early 20s, your mid 20s, or you're sharing your 20s, and you're not making 2 million and above every single month, then this video is for you. You need to pay attention to this and listen to everything I'm about to say. So I know a lot of you have been thinking of going into one investment opportunity in 2025, but one thing I would tell you is I would strongly advise you not to go into any form of investment in 2025. Yes, you heard me right. I know this is going to be a contrary opinion to a lot of people. Yeah, this is very, very contrary to a lot of people being like, how will I make money if I'm not investing? Huh? How will I make money if I'm not? Listen, I need you to get something straight. I'm not saying investing is bad. Investing is not bad. But you need to get this straight. If you're in your early 20s, your mid 20s, you're in your 20s, and you've not started making 2 million and above on a steady basis, on a monthly basis, then you should not prioritize on investing at all in 2025 until you understand this. So in 2025, if you are still in your 20s, one thing you should prioritize more on is saving. Yes, you need to take saving very, very, very important rather than going into any form of investment. Do not go into any form of investment if you're in your 20s, your early 20s, you're not starting making, especially if you've not started making 2 million upwards. Like I said, I know this is going to be controversial for a lot of people. People will be like, what are you saying? How am I going to make money if I'm not investing? Wait, just hear me out. One reason why most financial advisors will probably advise you why you should invest rather than saving is the fact that, for example, if you're saving 5 million in the bank and in 5 years' time, that 5 million will not be equivalent to the amount it was 5 years ago, which is logical, right? Due to inflation and the rest of that. One thing you are not getting right, listen to this again. One thing you're not getting right is the fact that you definitely need to have money, first of all, to listen to that advice. Let me come again. Most of the times, those financial advisors will advise you that instead of you leaving your 5 million in the bank, listen, instead of you leaving your 5 million in the bank, instead of you leaving your 10 million in the bank, instead of you leaving your 20 million, listen, you need to have money, first of all, chilling in the bank that you are not using. For you to now say, okay, no, it's not ideal for me to just leave that money, but why don't I just invest that money? Or if you're in your early 20s and you've not started making 2 million upward on a month, so tell me, how do you want to have money that is going to be in the bank that you want to start investing in? And mind you, investment is something that is risky. If you are not having enough egg, like they say, do not put all your eggs in one basket. If you are not having enough eggs in the first place, how can you spread your eggs? You get what I'm saying? I'm just trying to make you understand something first. Investing is not bad. Investing is important. But for you at this stage right now, you are not making 2 million upwards on a monthly basis. You and I are not making 2 million upward on a monthly basis. Then there is no need for us going into any form of investment in 2025, or rather what we should focus on is saving. And I can go on and on and on explaining why you should save rather than invest, but let me just give you a few points why savings is actually very, very crucial, especially when you're in your 20s. So one important reason why you need to save is the fact that emergencies can arrive at any given time. Yeah, by now you should know you're in your 20s, you are going to start facing unexpected funds, unexpected bills, unexpected things that can happen and would demand you to like use money to solve them. So it's very, very ideal if you have one backup funds somewhere you can easily fall back to in case of any emergency, so you don't get fucked up on the way. You need to have a savings somewhere that can save you from any embarrassment. Yeah, that is one importance of saving. It saves you from embarrassment. It saves you from people spitting at your face. Yes, that's what it does. So that is one importance of savings. One other crucial importance of saving is saving actually help you achieve your goals. So this is something not a lot of people actually talk about. You can see a lot of millionaires. I won't say billionaires. Billionaires, I don't know about them. Those guys are rich, I know. But millionaires, a lot of them that have their house built. Do you think one early morning someone just credit them with just 100 million and boom, they built the house? Nope, they don't do that. You're working little by little, you're saving one money elsewhere little by little, and eventually that little money you're saving will turn to 100 million that you can now use to get yourself a house, to get yourself something like that. So savings actually help you achieve your goals. I could remember last year I had a very faulty phone and I wanted to change my phone. And in my mind, I was thinking that okay, once one money just enter my hand like this, I'll just go and use it to buy food. I waited and waited and waited, and I could not get the money at once. But once I now decide in my mind that okay, this is what I'm going to do. Once I start making money, any little money I start making, I'll be keeping it aside until I reach my target that I want, like the amount of money I want. Then I'll just go and use it, and that was what helped me like achieve that goal. So if you're still thinking saving is something of that is going to waste your time, or it's just something of the past, I'm telling you, it's not. I'm not talking about long-term saving. I'm talking about saving to save yourself. Thirdly, one other importance of saving is saving actually helps you to be responsible. Yes, this is very, very crucial and very, very important. If you're someone that actually lacks responsibility, you're someone that is finding it difficult to be responsible, saving is something that will train your mind in doing that. Okay, let's say for instance, you're taking out 30% from your monthly income. Now you're left with 70%. Normally, on a normal basis, that 100% normally safe is not even enough to take you by the whole month. But now you're removing 30% and you're left with 70%. What this does for you is that it's going to give you a sense of responsibility in an aspect whereby you are not going to be spending recklessly. What you are going to be doing, you are going to be spending on things that are actually important and things that are actually prioritizable to you. So by doing this, you're going to be getting that mental shift to start paying attention to other little things that you never even took seriously for, like on a normal basis. Because when you are now looking at, okay, I cannot just go ahead and just spend my money anyhow. I don't have enough money because I've kept some amount of money into my savings. Now you are not going to like spending anyhow. You're going to have a good spending habit, and it's going to improve your sense of responsibility towards other things. So if you're someone that actually like being responsible, saving is a way to actually train your mind to be responsible. Take note of this. So you can actually start trying this. Just try this for like 2-3 months and you're going to start seeing the effect. And fourthly, one other important thing, I think I actually like this fourth reasons why you should save. The fourth reason why you should save is saving gives you the opportunity to what? Invest. Yes. I know in the beginning I was telling you do not invest, but you need to know that you can't invest unless you have money. So now when you have, let's say you've saved a huge amount of money, now you have enough money to like try different investment. And one tip I would give you is if you're going into any form of investment, make sure you're going to something that would not take your time. Make sure you're investing into something that you don't need to follow up on. You get me? So once you are investing in, for example, real estate, you're putting your money inside, you don't need to. There's some amount type of real estate that you do not need to like. I just think I need something that can. I think that's real estate is a good example. But once you are putting your money into it, you don't need to like start like paying so much attention to it. So a particular amount of money is going to be coming to you. So in doing this, you can actually spread out on different form of investment. Like for example, once you are not all the kind of investment you are doing does not require you to like require your attention that much. So now you can go into various form of investment. I don't know if you're getting it, but I just hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So once you're saving, it gives you the ability to invest, because on a normal base you don't have that amount of money just lying somewhere that you would want to use to invest. But once you're saving, it gives you that opportunity to have that kind of money to invest. So you need to save first before you invest later. I hope you get that right. Going to the final and fifth reasons why saving is very, very crucial is saving gives you peace of mind. Yeah, just you knowing you have one money somewhere gives you a lot of rest of mind. Once you know that okay, you have money to tackle anything that is being thrown at you, gives you peace of mind. You're not rich yet, but you get to taste one little thing that billionaires kind of feel like. So once you have that money that okay, once anything is coming, you have money to like defend you. That's like the Bible said, money is, I don't know what the Bible said. One thing I know is money is the backbone to everybody or everything. Once there is money, you can solve probably 70% of your problem. And this is fact. So if you actually find this content helpful, please just click on the subscribe button, share this video and like this video. And if you have any opinion or any contrary opinion, I would really love to know from you, or love to hear from you. So just drop it in the comment section below. I appreciate every single impressions that I get from you guys. Every single comment is very vital. And I hope to see you in my next video. Stay tuned.